Happy Good Friday, everyone. I am picking up my wheels from a Blaze powder coating. They're doing the rear wheels we had made for the car, and yeah, let's see how they look.
How's it going?
Good. How you doing today?
Just on top of this wood?
Yeah, that'd be fine. I'm not going far. Thanks, guys. What's burning? Everything?
Oh, the oven?
We just have a quick. How you doing? Good. Okay. Thanks, guys. Here's the wheels. This will have, these wheels will have our race tires on them, the drag slicks on them. Pretty cool, huh? All custom offset, 15 by 10s. They're gonna look good. We're gonna do the ladder bars in this red, and we're gonna do the straight axle kit in this red. It's gonna look really cool. The all the lettering's coming off that's on there now. All the tint on the windows is coming off. The windows will be tinted red, and it'll be hand painted on the side of the car. And some of these colors will all be involved in the hand painting, but cool. It's getting there. A lot of work. This also came in. This is a AccuSump. I'm gonna try and save this engine. You know, the money we spent on this engine. I should say all the money my sponsor spent. That's holding pressure, huh? It must have pressure in it. Pressurized. This is going to hold, I guess, 2 or 3 quarts of oil. And I'm going to have a pre-oiler on the car. As much money as we have in this engine, we're going to need a pre-oiler. And this is off recommendations from the builder. I got the best builder in the business building this engine. What else has come in today? This is the timing gear cover with a cam button. There's the cam button at. There's the cam button on this. Kind of a cool cover. Yeah, this, I don't know where I'm going to hide this. Probably underneath the, yeah, look at it. It's pressurized. It's probably got a cylinder in the middle. Your oil comes in here. I'm assuming it has a shutoff valve. And when you hit the solenoid, there'll be a solenoid switch coming. Once you hit that solenoid switch, it sends oil to your engine under pressure, under 50 pounds of pressure, and yeah, you have a pre-oiler. So that's going in the engine, more engine stuff. But that's some of the progress today on the car. We had to get that Fairlane out the door. I got someone interested that's going to buy it tomorrow, so that'll help a lot. Make room, and also I can have Sean, my number one guy, working on the 57. We have a lot of requests for the front end straight axle kit, and I'm hoping that we can get it done. It's just a lot going on that would turn into just a fix a motor, and it was like $3,000 or $4,000. It's turned into probably a $50,000 project. But thankful for sponsors, and I couldn't have done it without them. My sponsor is Capistrano Cores and Metals out of Irvine, California. They handle all the scrap from all the dealers. They handle the catalytic converters from a few dealers, and they also deal with scrap metal. And that's my sponsor. That's the names going on the car. We have a couple associate sponsors too. Let's see. I'm going to try and get a Blazed powder coating on, and also Will Smith, maybe, if you're out there, Will Smith. and a few other people. Every little bit helps. This is getting pricey, but we'll get her done because summer's approaching. The race season is full swing, and I'm not racing. Okay, I'll come back to you later. Bye.